Over the course of a decade, eToro has established itself as a leader in the worldwide fintech revolution, making it the world's largest online social trading network, with tens of thousands of active users and a diverse range of innovative exchange and investment mechanisms. However, you must know that eToro didn't invent these revolutionary features in a day. A chain of events has made eToro what it is today. Considering that the internet is flooded with prolonged eToro reviews, you may wonder what makes this platform any different. Readers, in the following article, we will review eToro and show you how to be up and running and using this platform in less than a day. Bold claim, sure, it is. But before getting to the nitty-gritty, let's pay some attention to the eventful history of what we call the biggest online social trading platform. Is eToro safe? A brief history. It was January 2007 when three trailblazers attempted to alter the trading system to make it more accessible to the general public, regardless of location, and reduce the reliance on user-dependent financiers. After 7 months, in September, eToro was initially launched as an electronic trading system through visualizations of different financial products to make learning about financial instruments simple and even enjoyable. After the success of its cutting-edge trading platform, eToro launched a user-friendly trading app, WebTrader, in May 2009 to allow anybody to exchange financial assets digitally. Later, OpenBook was launched in July 2010 as first social exchange site globally. And, in April 2012, a smartphone app was developed for both WebTrader and OpenBook. Along with commodities, currencies, and other assets, eToro added a diverse choice of stocks in July 2013. Allowing traders to diversify their portfolios further and increase their profits. In October 2015, the new eToro app was launched by combining the online banking elements of WebTrader with the social trading features of OpenBook into a single user-friendly and visually appealing graphical user interface. Using powerful machine learning algorithms in February 2016, professionally managed portfolios and copy portfolios were introduced that integrated key traders or other assets to follow a predetermined investment strategy. In 2017, eToro added RippleNet's XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin to feature different currency coins to its trading system. To summarize, the launch of the eToro exchange platform is the first step on the company's blockchain journey, which began in 2012 with a collaboration with Colored Coins and continues today. Study shows that eToro was one of the first controlled financial institutions to offer cryptocurrency in 2014, allowing users to trade Bitcoin for other currencies. As of right now, the eToro platform supports 15 distinct types of cryptocurrency assets. Cryptocurrencies available on eToro. The cryptocurrency trading site eToro offers the most popular cryptocurrencies. You may currently purchase and trade over 20 different coins on eToro, including Bitcoin, Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Uniswap, Cardano, Chainlink, Stellar Lumen, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Solana. Although eToro provides crypto trading pairs, these pairs are only available to foreign customers. However, if you transfer your coins to the eToro wallet, you will be able to perform crypto-to-crypto exchanges. The minimum purchase price for any cryptocurrency on eToro is $25. Still, you'll also need to fund your account with at least $50 to start trading. This is also the minimum for any deposits you want to make later. There are no costs associated with withdrawing funds from your eToro account, but a $30 minimum withdrawal amount is required. eToro Trading Experience. The trading experience provided by eToro's primary web-based platform and well-designed mobile app is second to none. Depositing fiat currency from a bank account or card allows users to start trading right away with no delays. However, it may take up to 7 days for wire transfer deposits to become available. Using the trading option, customers may access a list of cryptocurrencies, allowing them to monitor current prices to buy, sell, and convert. As an additional feature, eToro also allows users to choose a copy portfolio, which invests funds in a portfolio built by a top trader and mocks their trades. Market and limit orders and margin investing are all available on eToro. However, it does not offer some advanced trading tools, such as stop orders, advanced charting, or crypto trading pairs. Is eToro a secure trading platform? The forex industry is not free of scams. To avoid being taken advantage of, you must exercise extreme caution while selecting a broker. However, we are glad to reveal that eToro does not fall into this group. In addition to tight money protection features, such as two-factor authentication, identity verification, and cold crypto storage, it also has top-tier security procedures and regulations in place. Opening an eToro account. Open an account with eToro as you would with any other online stockbroker. After clicking on the Join Now button, you will be presented with a registration form similar to the one shown below. This will need the selection of a username and password as your account login information. In addition, you will be required to share your email address. Visit to proceed. 8. After confirming your email address, you will be asked to provide personal information and supporting documentation, such as Social Security and a snapshot of government-issued identification. To proceed to the next step, you must provide proof of residency in the form of a utility bill or other similar document. Finally, you can deposit funds and begin trading cryptocurrency or building a cryptocurrency watch list. eToro final thoughts. eToro is suitable for investors and traders looking for easy access to the most popular cryptocurrency alternatives through a simple user interface. It provides customers with the copy trader program, which is unique in the business and allows them to duplicate the investments of well-known traders. There are no hidden fees or commissions on eToro, making it one of the more transparent cryptocurrency exchanges available today. Aside from that, eToro has received more positive user ratings than most cryptocurrency exchanges, with reviewers praising the company's trading experiences. On the whole, eToro is a fantastic alternative for investors who want an opportunity to discuss their trading ideas with others and to follow famous traders to learn about cryptocurrency trading from their experiences. Blockstar Investments hopes you enjoyed our video. Please leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you don't miss our latest and greatest news, reviews, and upcoming trends. Check out our links in the description below for a deeper dive into the world of cryptocurrency.